Oh boy, I can't wait for the Super Mario Extra Deluxe Super Saturn Ultra Mega Super Epic movie. Yeah. Oh boy, the movie is starting?
Hello, it's me, Mario. I'm doing a Super Mario from Super Mario. I'm gonna do Super Mario now. Swing your arm from side to side. Hey, man, it's time to go do it, Mario.
Hello, Mario, it's me, Princess Peach. Hello, Mario.
There is a tornado coming to Golem City right flipping now. You need to go and get out of the movie theater.
Oh my freaking god, I need to freaking go right freaking now. I am so scared of the creepy tornado.
You getting out of the house now? You are freaking grounded for getting killed by a tornado. That's it. Go to your room now.
But Daddy, there is no room?